Hey, our friends here are going to draw a cupcake.
Yeah, we're going to draw a scary cupcake. Well, when it's folded, it's cute. And then when you open it, it's going to be really scary.
Like a monster cupcake.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use markers. You also need
paper and something to color with.
Yeah. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're actually going to fold first.
Oh.
Let's take the top edge of our paper and we're going to fold it down to the bottom, line it up, and then crease it down the middle. Now, if you've done one of these folding surprises before, you already know how to do this. Mm-hmm. It's the same steps for every time. Then we're going to take the top flap and fold it back up to the top, line it up, and crease it down the middle and out to the corners. Yeah. Now we can flip it over. And
flip it over?
Yeah. Well, that kind of worked. And then we're going to take this top flap and fold it back up to the top also. This last fold is just a guide fold to help us know where the folding surprise is so that we draw everything inside of the folding surprise. So we're going to take that flap and then unfold it and flatten it out. Then let's flip it back over. There you go. I have scratch paper we can put underneath our drawing. This is to protect our table, but it doesn't have to be red. Mm-hmm. Okay, now let's draw. We're going to use our markers, and we're first going to draw our cute cupcake. Let's start right here. We're going to draw the first part below the fold. We'll start over here, and we're going to draw a bumpy line. We're going to start here, and I'm going to draw, this is the bottom of our cupcake frosting. Yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Then we're going to draw the wrapper to our cupcake, the bottom part. We're going to draw two lines that come down and they kind of get closer together towards the bottom. I love your cupcake already. It's
Mine
a little
went
different.
Really
Yeah, I like it when our drawings are a little different. I think it looks awesome. Now we're going to connect the bottom. And I made that line a little curved, but you could draw it straight. Let's also draw the texture for the wrapper. I'm going to draw a line right down the middle. And then we can split the left side and also the right side. Okay, now we need to draw the top of our cupcake. Mm-hmm. We'll start over here on the left, and we're going to continue the little bumpy line up, and I'm going to curve in. And we'll do the same thing over here on the right. Up and curve in. Yeah, we could also add an extra little bump if you want, but the main thing is we're going to come all the way across over to the other side and connect over here. There's the main shape of our cupcake. We could add all kinds of extra details to it to make it look even cuter. Mm-hmm. So you guys at home could add whatever details you want. I'm going to add unicorn horn.
It's not going to be cute for long.
Yeah, we're going to change it. So we got an upside down V. We could also add a little texture to the unicorn horn, draw little lines going across. And then we could also, I'm going to add maybe this is a little flower or some kind of wings. Those could be unicorn wings.
Head wings.
Yeah, head wings. Now, let's draw the cute face. I'm going to draw a circle over here on the left, and we can draw a circle over here on the right, the same size on each side. Then let's draw the highlight. We can draw a little circle inside, a little reflection. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave the little circle white. Now, anytime we go too fast, or if you want to add extra things to your drawing, remember you can always
pause the video.
Yes, for extra time. There we go. We got our eyes colored in. I'm going to add two little eyelashes over here. That's going to make it even cuter. Yep. Nice. Now let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a little happy mouth in the middle. Can also add little cheek lines too if we want. I'm going to add sprinkles. I'm going to add these little rectangle shapes all over the top of my cupcake. We could even add hearts. Let's add little hearts floating on the outside of our cupcake. This makes it even cuter, I guess.
You can make it a boy cupcake too.
You could, yeah. You don't have to. Don't have to make it look this cute if you don't want to. Now we're ready to open up our cupcake. Let's unfold it, and we can flatten out the folds.
Our
Look,
cupcake frosting is flying.
it's up all the way up here at the top, and we have the bottom of our cupcake down here. Now we're gonna draw all of this stuff on the inside, the scary part of our cupcake. Now the important part with this step is we wanna make sure that we draw everything below this top fold, so down here, and then everything also above this bottom fold. We don't wanna go outside of those lines.
Or else you can see the scary part.
Yeah, when you fold it back up, you'll be able to see it. So we'll unfold it like this and draw everything inside. We'll start down here and let's draw a little bump coming out and then maybe a bigger bump. Yeah, and we're coming out really wide so that we have a big mouth. And then I'm gonna draw one more, yeah, like that, or two more bumps coming out. Let's repeat that same step over here. I'm gonna draw a little bump, big. We can mix up the bumps. So some are big and some are little.
Our cupcake is exploding.
It is. Let's draw the mouth, or the bottom of the mouth next. I'm gonna start over here, and I'm gonna draw the bumps going the other way. Some of them are big and some are little, so it keeps it looking like frosting. Cupcake's still made out of frosting, even though it's scary. Next, let's draw the sharp, scary teeth coming out of the bottom. We're gonna draw a really tall M right here. I'm gonna come up, down, back up, and then back down.
Whoa, that looks...
Really sharp
Yeah.
and tall. There you go. Now on this side, we're gonna draw the really sharp teeth coming out. Look, I'm curving. See how I'm curving the teeth? Curving them this direction. Yeah. Oh, those are really scary. Now I'm gonna draw scary sharp teeth curving the other direction on this side. I love how long those teeth are. Next, we're gonna draw this scary tongue coming out, and it's gonna be split, kind of like a lizard. A split tongue. Yeah, that's gross. We'll start here, and we're gonna draw a curve that comes up towards the middle of our paper. Then we're gonna curve around, and you could really curve this tongue any direction you want. I'm gonna curve it up like this, and maybe back around. Oh, yeah, that's gross. Okay, let's do the other side that kind of matches, but it could also do something else different. Let's curve out of the mouth like this, and then I'll start curving down, and then maybe this one comes up. Oh, weird. Like that. Okay, now we need to draw the inside. First, let's draw a point right in the middle of the tongue. So we're gonna draw it right about there. And this is where it splits. So we'll start at that point, and I'm gonna draw another curve. Watch how I match the same curve that we just drew, but I'm getting closer until it comes to a point at the end.
Have to kind of go skinny right
That's
here.
okay. You could even use overlapping if you want.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that looks really cool. And then come down and connect. All right, now let's do the other side. We're gonna come up and curve around and get closer. We're matching the same curve, but we're getting closer as we get to the end. Oh, that's really gross.
That's disgusting.
Now let's draw the top connecting down. We're gonna start over here on the left, and we're gonna draw a bumpy line coming down like this. We're gonna go behind and connect down here. So you could use, oh yeah, overlapping the top part and the bottom. Let's do the same over here. We're gonna draw a bumpy line that comes in and connects, so it looks like it's going behind the tongue. Okay, now we can draw the top of our mouth. Let's draw this same line, but we're gonna draw it the other way. I'm gonna draw a bumpy line, this, coming across. Oh, I really like drawing bumpy lines. They're fun.
Me too. It's probably because you could design them any way you want.
Yeah, you don't have to draw it exactly like me. Okay, now let's draw those scary teeth, those really long teeth. I'm going to draw a really long W right in the middle. Then on this side, I'm going to draw the teeth coming out and curving this way. And then on the other side, I'm going to draw them curving the other way. That makes them look even scarier. It looks like it's going to eat you. Oh.
Or bite his tongue.
Yeah, hopefully not. Let's add a few more things to our drawing. We're going to draw the back of our cupcake monster's mouth. I'm going to draw more bumpy lines. I'm going to imagine it going behind the tongue, coming down and connecting to the teeth down here. There you go. And we can do the same thing on the right side. I'm going to draw the bumps going the other direction. Kind of looks like our cupcake's made out of clouds. Let's draw arms coming out of our cupcake. I'm going to draw a line that comes out and up.
Are these wings or arms?
It kind of look like, it could be wings if we want. We're going to turn them into arms. And then let's draw a talon, a really scary talon. Comes out and back in. A sharp talon. And we can draw another talon right below it. Whoa, that's really scary. Then we're going to bend back in. That's really creepy. It kind of looks like an insect arm.
And amazing.
And amazing all at the same time. I'm going to do the same step over here. Now, you guys really could add as many details, little extra things to make your cupcake monster scary. Oh, I'm going to add little texture lines coming across like this. Oh, yeah, that's gross. And we'll do the same thing over here. Oh. Let's add more. I'm going to draw more horns, kind of like the unicorn horn sticking out over here. I'm going to draw a couple of them, maybe down here too. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I almost drew over the line.
Yeah, make sure if you draw those, draw them below the fold. Yeah, don't forget that. That's important so that it's hidden when you fold it up. I'm going to add those little lines on the horns. And we could add even more of those little bumpy wing things like this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, make sure you don't draw outside of the fold. Now, this part we are going kind of fast because we're just adding little things. You can add as many Oh, we need more sprinkles.
Oh,
Don't
yeah,
we need
forgot the sprinkles.
We need more
sprinkles. I was like, we're missing something here.
I'm going to add even more sprinkles down here on this side. Oh, yeah, this is looking really scary and also tasty.
And cute.
Yeah, cute and scary. Oh, we need more hearts. I'm going to draw a few more hearts in here.
The only thing that we need to do now is color it.
Yes, you're so right. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video one more time if you want to match our same coloring. You really could color your monster any way you want, though. It would be really cool. If
color it rainbow.
Yes, or different flavors, like chocolate,
Blueberry.
strawberry.
Chocolate.
I already said chocolate.
Oh, raspberry.
You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring and drawing our cupcake, our cute cupcake. Oh, it's not really cute, is it?
Nope.
I love your drawing so much. This is now one of my new favorite folding surprises because it's so cute and so disgusting all at the same time.
Hi. Can you eat me?
No.
Yeah, sure. Roar, never mind.
Now you guys can pause the video right now to match our same color, and I also hope that you're going to change your drawings and color them differently or add even more things to your drawing.
And we hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
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 Goodbye.